Hi everybody, Mike with Enviroscape LA, and I want to welcome you to the Enviroscape LA headquarters, which I call, this is my house, this is my backyard. And as you know, I have put a lot of, I'm creating this genre of building backyard food forests for people, because if you grow your own food and you eat it the same day, you're getting 100% of the nutritional value. So how do I do it in my own backyard? Well, here's a question for you. What is the greatest environmental challenge to Southern California? You guessed it, it's our lack of water. We have no water. On average, over the last 100 years, we've gotten about 14 inches of rain on average over a 100-year period. So it's not a lot of rain. We don't have water to begin with. So I'm going to tell you something about two things that I found out that I'm just so excited about. And by the way, this is not a commercial. I'm not getting paid for this. So I met a young man who builds these planters that are in wheels. They're called rollingplanter.com. That's his website. And I got one of his planters. So it's on wheels and it rolls. But here's what I'm excited about. It's like a bathtub inside. I put a plug in it on the bottom, and so literally it holds water. I filled it up with these baked clay balls. You can get them at any hydroponic shop. They call them hydrotons or baked clay. They use them a lot like in the hydroponic industry. Anyway, I filled this whole chamber up, and then I put this pipe. Let's come and take a quick peek at this. I've actually got this pipe inside. It's a PVC pipe, and I put another PVC pipe here, drilled some holes in it. So the little pump inside there, it's an Awasa pump, 420 gallon per hour pump. Takes hardly any electricity. You can see it pulls water from the bottom and pushes up to the top, and it goes into this veggie garden. Now, the thing I'm excited about is that these vegetables are ginormous. I've never had kale that grew this big. I'm talking, I eat from this every single day. And I get 100% of the nutrient value. In fact, one of the things I like to do is I like to wrap sweet potato in it and make little sweet potato tacos out of it. Anyway, I'm a health nut, as you can tell. Now check out this eggplant. This is growing, and I've actually got the flowers. So that means I'm gonna get eggplants. There's one right there. There's another one right here. And I actually let some kale. Looks like kale. I'm letting it go to seed so I can save the seeds. I'm going to plant it later. But the whole point of this video is I'm growing this and I'm recycling the same water over and over again. And the most important thing, you can't grow vegetables with just water. You just can't. They need some nutrients. So the thing I'm super excited about, I want to tell you about this product that was introduced to me by a friend of mine, Nick Federoff. It's called Agrothrive, general purpose fertilizer. I wasn't expecting any super plants to happen, but I used the Agrothrive, and my goodness, look at this. In fact, check out, on top of the leaves, check out how there's this growth coming out of the side. I've never seen such bionic growth, and it's without soil. So imagine this, super nutrient-dense food. It recycles water, and I didn't have to think a lot about the NPK, nitrogen, phosphorus, potassium. All I had to do was put a cup of Agrothrive. I mean, this thing will last me for a few years. So my advice to you, check them out. I don't know what their website is, agrothrive.com probably. Yeah, agrothrive.com. Nick Federoff, he's the guy on the radio. Anyway, I'm so grateful. Thank you for listening. Take care.